really quick before the video starts, I just want to say I'm sorry for not uploading for the past like 2 or 3 weeks. It's just that I've been really busy with like school, also because my exams are coming up. I'll try to maintain a more consistent schedule, but I will probably won't be posting for another month at least because I still have exams. But well, enough of that, and let's get on with the video. This game is all kinds of whack, man. Welcome to today's video where I'll be talking about Grow a Garden. Now I'm going to be completely upfront with you. Do I think you should play this game? No, I do not think you should play this game. But let me not get ahead of myself. What is Grow a Garden, and why do I think overall that it's a game that's not even worth your time playing? So, Grow a Garden is a game where you grow a garden. Shocker, I know. The main gameplay premise of this game, if you want to call it that, is that you get some seeds, you plant them in your little garden, wait for them to fully grow, and harvest it for fruits, vegetables, and just plants overall. You then sell those plants you collected to get money, which you can then use to buy more seeds, where you can then plant it to get even more plants and get even more money by selling them, and then the cycle continues and goes on and on, where you get seeds to buy plants. And I'm sure you can all identify what the issue is here, right? Lack of actual meaningful gameplay. This is a gameplay loop that is quite literally just a loop of gameplay, and it's not even good gameplay. I mean, this is Cookie Clicker, but Cookie Clicker was better, my guy. And it's not like this game gets any more hard or challenging or even fun as you progress along. I mean, you're doing the same thing you would be doing in the end game in the beginning game. There is no distinction, absolutely none, between planting a seed at shekels, which is the game's currency, at shekels 0, than if you were at shekels 5 billion or something. I mean, there's gears, but they don't really like change much overall. So the gameplay is bland, it's dry, it's repetitive. What else could I be talking about? And you know what? I'll try. I'll give my best attempt at describing some of the good things in this game. So I've already talked about how the main gameplay consists of you doing the same thing over and over again, but you might be shocked to learn that this game actually has somewhat of a quest system. How the quests work in this game are, there are two types of quests. You got your daily quest where you gotta plant or harvest a specific type of plants, like plant 5 watermelon seeds and harvest 3 daffodils. And then you got your hungry plant quest where you feed these big ass plants that have specific requirements like size or status, like if it's over 0.5 kg or if it's wet. The other good thing I want to talk about is the weather. So in this game there's a random chance, I believe, for a random weather event to happen. These can range from rain to snow, and they all affect your fruit growth rate and have a chance to give a status effect on your fruits, which can help them sell more. And well, the other good thing is well, what the fuck do I talk about here? Oh yeah, oh my bad, how could I forget? Your garden grows offline. I mean, it's the whole tagline for the game, so you know it's good. I mean, which game is so good that it lets you automatically progress without actually playing the game? Only good games, bro, only good games, I can tell you that for sure. Now, if it seems like I was struggling to find actually good points for the game, then congratulations, you're right. There's not a single good thing about this game that cannot be found in any other games. And while I may have struggled to find positive remarks on the game, that cannot be said the same for the negative remarks that I have, because oh boy, I really hate this game. I do not like it. So you know what, I'll be going over the most egregious examples that I found while playing, and I'll just be going over them in sort of points. My first point: the overabundance of monetization systems in this game. I am not joking when I say that the monetization system in this game is completely out of whack. I mean, you got a shop in the game that you can open, and oh my god, you can buy stuff for like exorbitant amount of Robux. And that's not even the worst part of it. The worst part is that this game, their seeds are stocked. Yes, you heard me right, stock. That means if you wanna buy anything in the game, you gotta wait until it's in stock, or just pay Robux. One of these seeds is 629 Robux. 629 for singular seed. So it's either you wait for it to be on stock, which is never going to happen realistically, or you just pay up, you stupid dumbass, pay up. And don't even get me started on the fact that you can steal people's food. And when I mean steal, you can pay to take their food. So if you just want to be an asshole, you can just steal people's shit for like 34 Robux or 37 Robux. And then of course you got a grow option in case you don't want to wait. You get grow for 375 Robux. What in the world? And don't even get me started on the fact that there's loot boxes. Yes, loot boxes. You know that big ass plant I mentioned earlier? Well, just go up to it and you notice 2 arrows next to it pointing to chests like you can't see them already. And the thing about these chests are, well, you already heard me. They're loot boxes. You can pay 169 Robux to open the damn loot box. Because everybody loves gambling, man, right? Oh, I love gambling, So we got pay to win, pay to steal, and pay to even gamble. What do we got next? Well, I'll tell you what my next point is. The amount of bugs that this game has. Let me just start you off with a simple one. So whenever you rejoin the game, you know, after you've not played for a while, you know how your garden grows offline, right? Well, the game says, oh wow, your garden grew while you were gone. Here's what it looks like. And here's what it looks like now. Except the part where it says, here's what it looks like, that garden does not exist. They forgot to add an actual functionality, or if they did add an actual functionality of showing your garden when it was gone, it just doesn't work. All you get is a white screen and then, oh, well, this is your garden now. Yeah, your garden was white before, now it's black. And the bugs just don't end there. If it did, then I would be making this section, but here I am. So there are gears in this game, right? And one of the gears, the trowel, is used to move your plants. And well, I needed to move my plants, so I took up the trowel, and within the first I kid you not, within the first 5 seconds of me using it, I found a bug immediately. I'm just gonna play the clip and let you see it for yourself.
Yeah. He's talking to the chats, he's talking to the viewers.
He's talking to the audience. Editor, play a laugh track. Editor, play a meta joke. My friend asked me to identify a joke, but I never met a joke.
Editor, play a Pokemon porn.
What? Oh, oops, that's the wrong clip. Editor, play the right clip. What? There's a whole ass bug. Yeah, that's right. The oh-so-wonderful developers of this game left in a completely game-breaking bug that made the trowel a tool that can move your plants with a limited time use, completely unlimited time use. If you select the plant you want to move with the trowel, and then you stop moving it by like pressing 2 again, or like the trowel key again, then oh whoops, it gets moved, but your trowel usage does not get used up. Oh, and it's only in client side, so for the rest of the server it'll just look like your farm or your plants inside of your garden have not been moved, while for you it looks like they have been moved, which I found this within my first 5 seconds, not even my first 3 seconds of using this. How do you guys not see this? Do you have no testers? And speaking on the games, like no testers apparently, what is the horribly unoptimized game that you have here? I mean, you have people with like a bajillion fruits, or like bum ass big ass trees and like big ass cactuses, and that does numbers to your frame rate. It drops it so much. So how do you, like, is optimization not a core feature that you've planned into it? I mean, I'm just gonna play a clip that just explains it all.
There's only someone called Emergency Food that's like even lower than me.
Whoa, what the hell is this?
What is what?
Bo,
It's so laggy.
take a look around, bro. Take a look around. Can you guess?
I know, man. It's like so laggy. Can you see my character?
Yeah, I can see you. Can Oh my god, I'm lagging as well. But can you guess why it might be laggy? Like I just lived.
And the big ass fruit over there.
Yes, indeed, it was the big ass fruit that was over there that caused the lag. I mean, just look at my guy. Just look at him. You can't play like this. And my last point is just the general gameplay alone. Uh, if your gameplay is one of the points that I list as the game being bad, then you know you fucked up. Simply put, spamming E in your field to collect all of the plants is just not fun. It is not fun. It's annoying, it's a hassle. If your main gameplay, which is spamming E, I might add, if your main gameplay is boring as shit, then you failed ultimately at creating a game. The worst thing a game can be is dull. Games are a form of entertainment, and this does not entertain anybody. Unless you're like a kid that just discovered games for the first time. I mean, I'll just play you a clip. Did that seem like fun to you? Because I can tell you for sure that it wasn't fun for me. Just spamming E in the middle of your guard and then selling it every once in a while once you hit your max backpack space is not fun at all, and I've already reiterated this point. I've been in this point multiple times now, but this game is boring. And that's not even the worst part. Oh boy, that's not even the worst part. No, the worst part that shows that this developer does not care about actually making this game but cares about turning a profit. The worst part is some of the fruits you can't even get to them.
Look at the previous dude. How does he even get to his coconuts?
He doesn't, bro. Why is that so big? Bro, they're gonna add jetpacks to the next update. Yes, that's right. You can't even get that coconut. Yeah, it's so far up that you can't even get them. Like that coconut, it may be big, but its functionality is basically useless. Did none of you think about this? And bro, I have another example. Look at this. Look at this. I'm trying to collect my tomatoes, but why is it so big? Why do I have to do parkour in order to get my tomatoes? I thought this was grow a garden, not grow a goddamn parkour course. What? This, I give up, man. And you know what? I really did give up. I tried playing the game, but you know what happened? Like, I was with my friend, and even being with my friend, playing with my friend, it was not enough to make this game any salvageable. So, hell, you know what I did? Yes, yes. Anyway, pull up to Bloxford, bro. Can you guess what I did after I said that? I must say, bro, this is so much more better than the Grow Garden. Yes, that's right. I actually did play Bloxfruit after this. Goa Garden was so bad that I resorted to playing Bloxfruit. Goa Garden was so bad that I preferred Bloxfruit over it, and I think that's the perfect summation that I can do of this, I can do of this game. Plus, I just heard recently that this game was bought out by big games. Damn, we have fallen. Truly, we have fallen. But well, that's all from me for now. Bye.
Dude, after you've done everything.
I mean, can you really even do everything?
No.
I think like in life or like in blocks.
In Block Fruiter.
How the hell will you do everything?